Emily Roller. There, I said it. Will you take a rain check? Let's get rid of the snow, get some warmer temps, and get some rain. And what I mean is, I was going to use my last $10 and tell you where I'd be, see if you would meet me for a date. But I got my car back. And I gave my tow tip driver a $10 tip. So will you take a rain check? Anyway, let me light up. Yeah, people, don't come on 194th and Adams, 195th and Adams. There's a roundabout. That's where I got stuck, in the roundabout. Like everything in my life is a roundabout, going round and round. I'm not used to that. I'm a computer programmer. Yeah, people, basically I was a Marine, a computer programmer, a lot of telemarketing. That's kind of where I learned how to talk and being a paper boy. But I did a lot of farm work too. And then quick shop clerk. I love being a quick shop clerk, a gas station clerk. I know how to get along with people. You just can't. You can't be what's the word? Snobby. It starts with a P. I can't think of it. It starts with a E or a O or a P. Opie. Presumptuous or anyway. So Emily, take my rain check. Give us some rain. I didn't finish that whole pizza. I put leftovers in the fridge. Yeah, but back to my Facebook or my video, I just want to go to Washington for a year and a half. Then come back, be a gas station clerk. I'm not in it for K Street. That's where all the lawyers and politicians go and all the lobbyists when they're done. Or they start podcasts or write 1 million books. Or write, what do you call that? The final verdicts for court cases. I'm not a lawyer. I'm just a dumb paper boy that's in love with Emily. Yeah. But I'm like at least 10 years older than her. Let's just cut the shit. I'm at least 10 years older than her. And I'm not saying I'm basically 50. Emily, you look like 35, 36. You're beautiful. You look like Miley Cyrus, Kaylee Kuko, or Kate Upton. Beautiful. There, did I make my point clear?